How to join strongest battleground Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure to join strongest battleground Discord. So all you need to do is here, first thing first, you want to launch open your Discord application and log in. Make sure that the application is completely up to date. After you're logged in, you can then go ahead and open up the home page and scroll down right to the bottom. So click the plus button at the bottom and then go to join a server. So for the strongest battleground Discord, you want to make sure to type in the link that is yielding arts. That is YIELDING arts. Make sure that the spellings are correct and click on join with link. Or you could just go and click on join with invite link. So this is the one. If you're sure about it, click on go to server, after which just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt in order to join the server. And you might have to go and enable some sort of permissions and all that, and that is how you could join strongest battleground Discord. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.